Hi all, hope everyone is doing good. Those who are watching me for the first time, I am Shomi and welcome to my channel Aishimun by Sparkle. I am creating this very gorgeous traditional Bengali look today for summer evening like Pahela Baishak or Akshay Tritiya. I keep the tutorial very easy to follow, so please watch all steps and do not skip. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. I am pre-conditioning my lips with Maybelline New York Baby Lips Colored Lip Balm. Conditioning my skin with the Body Shop Aloe Soothing Day Cream. I have reviewed this cream in detail. Please find the link for the video in description box below and top right corner of this video. I will wait a minute for the cream to get absorbed. Today I am using Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. Please watch my primer review video if you have not watched it yet. You may find the link in the description box below and in the top right corner of the video. I am applying this L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Matte Cover Foundation. It has SPF 16 PA+++. This is long wear matte foundation, high coverage and natural result. Sorry, I forgot to mention I have used a Legal Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, Orange Corrector, L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blendable Concealer. Concealer over orange corrector to hide this small pimple mark. I am using my favorite MAC palette for eyebrow. Please remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. I am experimenting with my eyebrows today. I am going for an extra thick one. Let's see it will go with this look or it suits me or not. Using bronzer for contouring. Using this Makeup Revolution Foil Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this is not a conventional way, I call it as experimental shortcut. Generally first you have to fill up the whole lid and then define or highlight with glitter or sparkle. Here I have used foil liquid eyeshadow. Though I have used this shortcut technique, but I won't recommend this one as it only works for this type of eyeshadow which doesn't smudge easily. So please take a note here. Maybelline New Year Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I am using the brush comes with it. I am using black kajal for upper and lower waterline. Maybelline New York Hyper Curl Mascara. Don't forget to catch me on Instagram. I am applying one of my favorite shades, MAC Tropic Tonic. I had reviewed few beautiful swatches from MAC. Please don't forget to watch that video. You will find the link in the description box. Defining it with MAC Lip Pencil shade Cherry. And here is the complete makeup. Now I'll set it down with NYX Professional Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is lightweight and long lasting and it gives you a dewy blue finish. I got ready off camera quickly. I am wearing red and white combination Dhakai Jamdani and golden ornaments. I am also wearing fresh Rajnigandha or tubeless for hair. It's so refreshing. So a big red bindi or a small one? Which one do you prefer? Would love to hear from you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to watch more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. See you soon. Take care.